How to turn on two-step verifications on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable two-step verifications on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok, and now just click profile, and here in the top corner you will find these three lines. Click on it and then click settings and privacy, and here you will find this one, security and login. Click on it and then click two-step verification, and now just turn on anything you want here and click turn on and create password. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.